Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's taking the world by storm: making money with artificial intelligence in 2024. As AI technology continues to evolve, it opens up a treasure trove of innovative and unconventional income opportunities that you might not have considered before. From creating AI-generated art to launching your own virtual assistant service, the possibilities are endless. In today's economy, staying ahead of the curve is crucial, and understanding AI trends can give you a significant edge. With businesses increasingly relying on AI to streamline operations and enhance customer experiences, there's never been a better time to explore how you can tap into this booming market. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some creative ways to boost your income, this video is for you. We'll be sharing 6 crazy yet practical methods to leverage AI for financial gain. Get ready to think outside the box and discover how you can turn these unconventional ideas into a lucrative reality. Let's jump right in. AI-powered content creation. Exploring unique content generation for blogs, social media, and marketing. In today's digital landscape, AI-powered content creation is revolutionizing how businesses approach their marketing strategies. Tools like Jasper and Copy AI are at the forefront of this transformation, enabling users to generate unique, high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. These platforms utilize advanced algorithms to understand context and tone, making it easier than ever to create engaging blog posts, social media updates, and marketing copy that resonates with audiences. Businesses are increasingly leveraging these AI tools to enhance their content marketing efforts. By automating the writing process, they can focus on strategy and creativity while ensuring a consistent flow of fresh content. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs, allowing companies to allocate resources more effectively. For freelancers, the potential earnings from AI-assisted content creation are significant. With the ability to produce high-quality content quickly, freelancers can take on more clients and projects, boosting their income potential. Imagine being able to write multiple blog posts or social media campaigns in a single day. As the demand for content continues to grow, harnessing AI tools can be a game changer for anyone looking to thrive in the freelance market. Automated trading bots. Delving into AI-driven trading for stocks and cryptocurrency. Welcome to the fascinating world of automated trading bots, where artificial intelligence meets the financial markets. Platforms like 3 and CryptoHopper are leading the charge in this innovative space, offering users powerful tools to automate their trading strategies for both stocks and cryptocurrencies. These bots analyze market trends, execute trades, and manage portfolios with minimal human intervention, making trading more accessible than ever. One of the key benefits of using AI for market analysis is its ability to process vast amounts of data in real time. This allows trading bots to identify patterns and make informed decisions faster than any human trader could. By leveraging advanced algorithms, these bots can optimize trading strategies, potentially increasing profitability while reducing emotional decision-making. However, it's essential to understand that automated trading comes with its own set of risks. Market volatility can lead to unexpected losses, and while AI can enhance decision-making, it's not infallible. Therefore, traders must conduct thorough research and maintain a balanced approach. With the right strategies and risk management, automated trading can be a lucrative venture, offering the potential for significant profits in the ever-evolving financial landscape. AI-enhanced e-commerce. Optimizing businesses for increased sales. In the rapidly evolving world of e-commerce, AI is proving to be a game-changer for businesses looking to boost sales and enhance customer experiences. One standout example is Shopify, which offers a range of AI features designed to create personalized shopping experiences. From tailored product recommendations to dynamic pricing strategies, these tools help businesses connect with customers on a deeper level, ultimately driving conversions. AI's ability to analyze consumer behavior is another powerful asset for e-commerce. By examining data such as browsing patterns, purchase history, and demographic information, AI can identify trends and preferences that inform marketing strategies. This data-driven approach allows businesses to target their audiences more effectively, optimizing ad spend and increasing the likelihood of sales. Moreover, the potential for dropshipping businesses using AI analytics is immense. With AI tools, dropshippers can streamline inventory management, predict demand, and identify profitable niches. By leveraging these insights, they can make informed decisions that enhance their operational efficiency and profitability. As AI continues to reshape the e-commerce landscape, Businesses that embrace these technologies will be well positioned to thrive in a competitive market, unlocking new avenues for growth and success. Virtual AI assistants. Examining opportunities in AI-powered services. The rise of virtual AI assistants is transforming the way businesses operate, creating exciting opportunities for those looking to offer virtual assistant services. Tools like ChatGPT are at the forefront of this revolution, providing businesses with advanced customer service and support capabilities. These AI-driven assistants can handle inquiries, provide information, and even engage in complex conversations, allowing companies to enhance their customer experience while reducing operational costs. The demand for virtual assistants is growing across various industries, from e-commerce and healthcare to real estate and finance. As businesses increasingly recognize the value of outsourcing administrative tasks and customer interactions, the need for skilled virtual assistants continues to rise. This trend presents a unique opportunity for individuals to step into this space, leveraging AI tools to deliver efficient and effective support. For freelancers, the potential earnings from virtual assistant roles can be quite lucrative. Depending on experience and specialization, virtual assistants can charge hourly rates ranging from $25 to $100 or more. By integrating AI technologies into their services, virtual assistants can increase their productivity and take on more clients, significantly boosting their income potential. Embracing this trend could lead to a rewarding and flexible career path in the evolving digital landscape. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. AI in real estate. Exploring how AI can revolutionize the market for investors. The real estate market is undergoing a significant transformation, thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence. Investors are now leveraging AI tools for property valuation and market analysis, enabling them to make data-driven decisions with greater accuracy. Platforms that utilize machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including historical sales, neighborhood trends, and economic indicators, to provide precise property valuations and identify lucrative investment opportunities. Moreover, AI is streamlining property management and tenant screening processes. Automated systems can handle everything from maintenance requests to rent collection, freeing property managers to focus on strategic growth. AI-driven tenant screening tools assess potential renters based on credit scores, rental history, and even social media activity, ensuring that landlords select reliable tenants while minimizing vacancy rates. The potential for increased profits in real estate investments is substantial. By harnessing AI technology, investors can reduce operational costs, enhance decision-making, and ultimately maximize their returns. As the real estate landscape continues to evolve, those who embrace AI will be well-positioned to capitalize on emerging opportunities, making informed investments that drive long-term success in this competitive market. AI-driven online courses. Investigating the potential of creating and selling AI-generated courses. The rise of AI technology is opening up exciting avenues for creating and selling online courses, making education more accessible and personalized than ever. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy provide user-friendly interfaces for course creators to design, market, and sell their courses to a global audience. These platforms not only simplify the technical aspects of course creation, but also offer built-in marketing tools to help you reach potential learners. AI plays a crucial role in tailoring courses to meet individual learner needs. By analyzing user data and feedback, AI can identify knowledge gaps and recommend personalized learning paths, ensuring that each student receives a customized educational experience. This adaptability enhances learner engagement and satisfaction, leading to higher completion rates and positive reviews. The income potential from selling online courses is significant. Successful course creators can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly, depending on their niche and marketing strategies. With the growing demand for online education, leveraging AI to create high-quality, tailored courses can fulfill a market need and provide a lucrative source of passive income. Embracing this trend could lead to a rewarding venture in the evolving online learning landscape. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.